This Ultimaxx 4K camcorder 42 megapixel model delivers crisp, ultra-high-definition footage and detailed still photos that look far better than what most phones can manage. The camera is clearly designed with beginners and casual creators in mind, offering straightforward menus and simple controls that make it easy to start recording without a steep learning curve. Its 18 times digital zoom and 3-inch flip-style screen make framing shots and checking focus much easier, whether you are filming yourself or capturing family events. Because the camcorder is compact and very lightweight, it is comfortable to hold for extended recording sessions and slips easily into a small bag for travel or daily carry. The feature set works well for social media use, giving vloggers and short-form video creators a practical way to record stable clips and then transfer them for editing and posting. Overall, this Ultimaxx camcorder feels like a thoughtful entry-level choice for teens and adults who want a dedicated video camera with modern resolution and user-friendly handling.